Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by adding your Gmail account to the iPhone if it's not already present. Open Settings, go to Accounts and Passwords or Mail Accounts, choose Add Account, pick Google and sign in. Make sure the Contacts toggle is enabled so the phone is permitted to sync. Once done, remain connected to Wi-Fi or cellular so the initial sync can complete. This step authorizes iOS to pull in Gmail contacts and sets the stage for the next configuration steps. Once your account is added and Contacts is enabled, open the Contacts app and pull down to force a manual refresh. That nudges the system to fetch new entries. Next, go to Settings Contacts and set default account to the Gmail account so new contacts are saved to Google by default. If you see duplicates, use the Merge Contacts option in Contacts or Manage Duplicates via Gmail on a desktop. Make sure syncing finishes before moving on to verification. Finally, verify that contacts appear by logging into Contacts. Google.com on a desktop. This confirms they reside in Gmail. If some contacts are missing on the iPhone, go back to Settings, toggle Contacts off for the Gmail account, choose Keep on my iPhone or Delete from my iPhone as appropriate, then toggle Contacts back on and wait 2 to 5 minutes. If problems persist, sign out and back into the Google account or restart your iPhone to clear temporary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.